Just about 3 minutes to go then, and we'll be summing up what has been a fairly tempered day of trade. Very divergent trends though within the frontliners vis-a-vis what we've seen with the broader end of the market. You've really seen a lot of fervor play out there while we're skirting around 11,600. We petered off from the high point of the trading day. It's down 67 points on the Nifty to shut shop just sub the 11,600 mark. That is at the lowest point of the trading day. For the Sensex, 320 points off by the time we close at 38,977 thereabouts. And it's been IT that's the biggest culprit today. Not just that, you've got media and even metals that have been rather soft. But barring that, pharma, Nifty Bank, PSU banks, FMCG, energy, realty, all of that has seen a fairly smart gain. Let's take you through then some of the stocks that have been buzzing on the frontliners. Infosys, of course, has been the biggest drag in trade today. Goes home with a 16% gash, dragging down the IT index and a lot of the other constituents. HCL Tech, Tech Mahindra too are in the red. Tata Motors as well, Brexit fears, all of that weighing down. Stock goes home with a 4% cut. Bajaj Finserv in focus on earnings. You've got Airtel in the red, something like Bajaj Finance as well, which delivered its numbers. Tata Steel, Eicher Motors, Ultratech under pressure. While on the upside, you've got Dr. Reddy's, which sees a smart gain. ICICI Bank flexing its muscles. Cipla, BPCL, Titan, Wipro as well as Nestle are some of the other movers in trade. Kotak Bank as well came out with its earnings. We watched out for that counter. You also had something like Jubilant Food, which delivered its earnings today, and not a bad set. In terms of some of the other newsmakers, you also had Ambuja Cement reeling under pressure on the back of earnings. There's Piramal, which gave a big thumbs up on the back of its quarterly performance. Lots of stocks then, Aisha, buzzing within the broader universe as well as the small cap index goes home with a hearty gain.
Yeah, that it does. So Century Textiles goes home with almost a 10% gain. Piramal Enterprises holds out very well. Jubilant Foodworks eventually shot up a solid 6%, reacting to its inline set of numbers, especially the same-store sales growth of 4.9% as opposed to the 5% expectation on the street. Mahindra Finance, M&M Finance, these are all names which have held out very, very smartly. Muthoot Finance, I beg your pardon. From within the Nifty, Titan, ICICI Bank and BPCL have held out to be very strong movers. Tata Motors, Bharti, even Bajaj Finance and Infosys, they are names which have dragged just that wee bit.